Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Rezwanul Haq. I am a student of Banking and Insurance Department in Rajshahi University. My student ID is 20108-37144. I am pursuing a 4-year BBA program and currently studying in second year second semester. As part of our educational requirement, I have opened a YouTube channel named How to Excel in Excel. I have decided to upload a number of videos to Excel in the channel for the beginners who are enthusiastic to learn MS Excel. Let's talk about MS Excel in a nutshell. Microsoft Excel. MS or Microsoft Excel is a computer software program that uses spreadsheets to organize and analyze stored data. It was released in 1985 and has grown to become arguably the most important computer program in workplaces around the world. MS Excel is used for a range of purposes in a business include accounting, stock management, sales reporting, product information management, and automation. Features of MS Excel include conditional formatting, data visualization, data validation, pivot table, and goal-seek analysis. Using MS Excel, one can perform calculations, modify data, have control over data, work with data, and print report easily. If you find my channel informative, please give your thumbs up, share it with your dear ones, make comments, and please do subscribe this channel. Thank you in advance. Let's begin our video journey.